you guys, today we're going to be learning the basics of French. That's right, it's just the basics. If you know absolutely nothing about the language French, this is the video for you. If you are a little bit more advanced, then you shouldn't watch this video because this is the complete basics. That's right, the complete basics of French. So be sure to comment down below if you have any questions, like and subscribe to the Purple Peeps, and let's get to it. So we're going to start with saying hello. We need to know how to say hello. Hello is bonjour. Okay, remember that. Bonjour equals hello. Bonjour can also mean good morning and hello. So remember that, because in the morning you can just say bonjour. That means good morning, but it can also mean hello. So here's what we learned about bonjour. Bonjour can equal hello or good morning. So let's remember that. And now let's focus on how to say hi. Like if you want to say hi, good morning, you can say salut. Salut means hi. So if you don't want to refer to bonjour, bonjour, hello, good morning, you can say salut, bonjour. That can also mean good. All right, so let's put salut means hello, and bonjour means good morning or hello. Salut means hi. So now that we've learned bonjour and salut, let's move on. If you're not understanding anything in this video, be sure to go back into the video so you can repeat that part that I just explained if you didn't get the concept, or if you want to hear me pronounce it again and again and again. So now we're going to learn how to say, hi, my name is, and then your name. So let's practice on my name, Naomi. So my name would be Salut. And how to say my name is je. That's right, je. Let me spell it out here. Je m'appelle Naomi. That's pretty easy then. Hi, my name is Naomi. It's salut, je m'appelle. Let's repeat that. Je m'appelle Naomi. So now we're going to layer it out here. Je m'appelle equals hi, my name is, well, not hi. Hi is salut. And in French, everything is really, they speak it very fluidly. So we need to be fluid too. In order, if you just know the basics, it's probably going to be very easy. When you already know a lot of French, sometimes you can get mixed up during the words. Like in the English dictionary, there are over a million words. Sometimes we just don't know the word for it. So let's repeat this again. Salut. And now I'm going to pronounce it. Je m'appelle Naomi. If you don't want to say je m'appelle, because sometimes people can't just pronounce that, if you want, you can just say je suis. Je suis equals I am. It's not as fancy as my name is, it's I am. So if you want to say I am Naomi, if somebody introduces themselves next to you and you want to say, and I'm Naomi, you can say je suis Naomi. Then now you know how to say your name. Of course, you can just replace Naomi with whatever your name is. And that's how we do it. Now let's focus on the facts again. Je m'appelle means, hi, my name is Naomi. Je suis, on the other hand, means I am Naomi. So they're not very different. You can use either one if you're introducing yourself to somebody. Either one is okay. Let me speak to you on those basics that we just learned. Bonjour, je m'appelle Naomi. Or you could say it, Salut, je suis Naomi. All right, you guys. Well, that's it for today. Hey, thanks for watching, you guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. And that's all I'm asking from you guys. Please go check out my channel for more crafting videos or language videos. And I post videos every single Monday, and shorts just come out continuously every single day. So if you want, go check out those things out. And I just really appreciate you watching this. So keep on learning French. Bye.